All right, another quick video where we're just going to show some of the powers of things you can do with Cursor, an AI assisted editor. We have a really basic website here. Right now, we're not doing anything with the front end. We have this really basic back end. And with this back end, I'm going to use Cursor to generate a whole new call chain. We're going to add some work management features. We're going to add a work manager and a task accessor to manage these tasks. We're going to have it generate it for us. And I'm just going to run this. It'll spin through and generate what I want. Now I've provided a lot of rules in the README. You can kind of see the READMEs on the screen right now. It's going to go through and use those rules to define how I want this to behave. When we're done, hopefully it generates what we want and actually puts everything together for us. Now it's like anything with AI generation. I think this isn't the best demo because you should never blindly accept what it generates. From what I've seen, it generates what you want a lot of the times, but a lot of the times there's some small details it gets wrong. But for the sake of this demo, we're going to go fast and just blindly accept everything it generates. You notice it generated a lot of stuff here. Click accept. And it did add a lot of things to our project over here. We have task entity, a bunch of other things, and maybe most important, if we go to back to Chrome here, refresh our API documentation. We don't have some more stuff, so it didn't work. Go back to here. Let's see if there's any errors. I'm actually not seeing any errors right now, which is unusual. I'm gonna go to our, it actually says it's all running. Sure, it looks like it's fine to me. Let's open that controller. It didn't generate the, there's a work controller right here. It didn't generate the test for it, but it sure does have like a work controller, has API definition. Let's refresh this one more time. Make sure we're just not missing it. And see, this is a good example. Tried to use it, it probably didn't work. If I had to guess, it didn't put something in here. All of our, in these manager modules, didn't listen. It didn't. So I have to come in and kind of fix what it messed up. Work controller here. And I need to import that reference. It kind of tells it which controllers, which things we should have. And now if I go to this web page, refresh it, we will get what we want. Super fast. This would have probably taken me, hour or so before. I did this in a few minutes. Using these tools and some rules can be pretty powerful and a good way to speed things up. But we have to kind of check and verify what it builds. Much like in this example, it forgot to kind of wire one last piece up, even though my rules explicitly told it to do that. So just be aware, stuff like this is going to get missed. You have to kind of still be capable